Hello students, today in this session of grammar we are going to start with the textbook solution. As in previous session we have started the topic, that is adjective, right? I have explained you the meaning of adjective, I explained you the types of adjective. So let's start with the exercise of adjective. Okay, so first we will start with question number A, that is on page number 14. Okay, use the opposite of the words given in the box to complete the sentence. Now in the box they have given examples, they have given the adjectives. You have to use opposite word of that adjectives. For example, tiny, then you will use large, right? Then unknown, you will use known, right? Like this you have to change it. Okay, so let's start with that. Now first one, the dash animal you see over there is so scary. The what you will write, see, awful is given, careless is given, usual is given, unsuccessful is given, easy is given, unknown is given, least liked is given, rotten is given, and tiny is given, and vague is given, right? Now from that, for animal you cannot use all these things, but you can use tiny, right? The word tiny, but tiny, what you have to do, you have to make opposite of tiny. So here what will come? Answer will be large. Now in the same way, second, I liked her dash way of making us understand the concept. Okay. Now here also in options many things are given, right? So from that we will do the opposite of that particular word. So answer will be clear. Now vague means that is unclear. So we have to make the opposite of vague, that is clear. Okay students, now finish your homework before your dash program starts. Now here awful, careless, usual, unsuccessful, easy, unknown, least liked, rotten, tiny, and vague. Now here we can use favorite program. Now, the room is full of the dash fragrance of your perfume. Now, the word rotten is given. That is also a kind of smell that gives us smell. So, that we can change into sweet. So, what we will write here? Sweet. Now, I had a dash time convincing her to join us for the meet. Now here in the bracket it is given awful, careless, unusual, unsuccessful, easy. Now I had an easy time. No, we have to make opposite of the word easy. So what will be the word? Tough. Very good. Now next, congratulations on the dash completion of the project. Now here they in the bracket they have given the word unsuccessful, right? So here they have completed the project, so we have to make the opposite of that word. So what we will make? Successful. Sam graduated from a dash university. Now, in the bracket they have given unknown, right? So that we can change into reputed university or known university. You can also write known university, okay? I am writing reputed university, okay? So, first 7 we have completed. 8, 9, 10 you have to try it by yourself. It's very easy. You have to make opposite of the word that is given in the bracket. Okay students, now question number B, match the adjectives with suitable noun. What we have to do, we have to add the adjectives with suitable noun. Okay, on the A side they have given adjectives, on the B side they have given nouns. Okay, so let's start. First one, closer. Now closer, this side they have given voice, school, inspection, temper, result, rain, peanuts and waters. So waters will not come, peanuts will not come, rains will not come, result, closer, result will not come, temper will not come, inspection. So closer, inspection. Now next, fruitful. Now students, for food, fruitful, we can write fruitful result. Yes, we can write. So fruitful result. Third, soothing. Now for soothing, what we can use? Soothing, we use for soothing voice, right? What we use? We use soothing for voice. So we can write soothing voice. Elementary. This you all must know, elementary. Elementary, tell me. Yes, school. Some schools are elementary schools, right? Now, fifth, fairy. Fairy, temper, right? Then, calm. Calm waters, right? Sometimes waters are calms. So calms, calm waters. Incessant, incessant means बहुत ज़्यादा, more. Incessant rain. Okay, incessant rains. Salted, salted, you know, salted peanuts, right? So write that, in salted you have to write peanuts. Okay students, so in this way we have completed A, question number A and B. Now we will start question number C. Right? Now in question number C will be homework for you. In that it's very simple. You have to, they have given the definition of the types of adjective. With that you have to match the examples, right? So that is very easy. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, now we will start with fill in the blanks. Okay, so with suitable adjective. Question number D, right? Suitable adjective, it can be any adjective. Now dash choices do I have? Now here they are asking a question, so it means you have to use interrogative adjective. So what we can use? What choices they are having, okay, or what choices they have. Okay, so first answer will be what. Now second, dash fun it is to roller skate. Now here it is exclamation, so exclamation also we can use what fun it is to roller skate, right? So here also what. Now next, dash grandfather and I take walks together. Now here it shows the possession, right? So what we will use? My grandfather. So what we will use? My grandfather. Now next, dash student took part in debate and Zahir won dash prize. Now you can write any number here. There it's which you have to use number of students, right? So you can use any number. I am using 10, but from that 10, Zahir won the dash prize. So you can write Zahir won the first prize. Okay students. Now next. Dash article was written by my teacher and dash one was written by me. Now here we have to use demonstrative as we are pointing out the article or written right, we are pointing out the article. So this article is written by my teacher and that article is written by me. Okay, so what we will use? These and that. Okay students. Now next. Dash person will be asked to speak at the meeting and dash speech will be recorded. Now here they are talking about demonstrative adjective, means all in one, right, in group. For example, each person will be asked to speak at the meeting. Each, it means we are talking about everyone in general, right, and every speech will be recorded. Okay, so in this way you have to use demonstrative adjective. We have completed question number D. Now we are going to learn about using of some, any, much, many, little, a little, few, a few. Okay, now first we will start with some and any. Now, as you should know that some and any are used both with countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay, both are used with countable and uncountable. For example, some boys, or here we can write some milk or water, right? So in this example you can see boys are countable, so with that also we have used some. Milk are countable, with that also we have used some, right? Now we will talk about any. Countable, uncountable. It is also used for both countable and uncountable. So how that we will see. Some tea, any cheese, any teacher. Any teacher first we have to write as it is countable. Any cheese. Now, from this example, you can see teacher is countable, but with that we have used any. Cheese is countable, with that we have used any. So, any can be used both with countable or uncountable noun. And some also can be used with countable and uncountable noun. But how to differentiate it in the sentence? In sentence, how to use it? So listen this carefully. Okay? If it sentence, how you will come to know that when to use some and when to use any. So that I am going to teach you now. Now listen carefully, some rules that you have to follow for that. Right? Some is generally used in questions when the expected answer positive. Okay, it is used in questions with positive answers or positive sentence you can say. So with that what is used? Some. Okay, questions with positive answers. With that we will use some. For example, now you can see that this sentence is positive sentence, right? So with that we will use some. Whether either here the noun is countable or uncountable, that doesn't matter. You have to see whether the answer that we are getting is positive or negative. If positive, we will use some. Now any is usually used in questions and negative sentence. Okay, it is used in questions and negative sentence. What? Any is used for these two things. Okay, for example, so this is clear. Haven't we got any cheese? This is a question. Okay, negative question. So with question, what we will use? Any. And as the sentence is negative, we will use any. Right? Well, it doesn't matter whether the noun is countable or uncountable. Some and any is used both in countable form also, uncountable form also. But if it is positive answer, then we have to use some. If it is a question and even if it is a negative sentence, what we use? Any. Okay, students. So let's start with the exercise of it. Let's crack it. Question. As it is a conversation. Man, my car met with an accident near the highway. Are there dash doctors available? Now here it is in the question form. So with question, what we have to use? We have to use any. So first will be any. Are there any doctors available? Now second, hospital staff. Surely, do you have dash injuries? Again, it's a question. So what we will use? Any. Do you have any injuries? Can I give you dash medicine? Now next question is also what? It's also a question. Now can I give you dash medicine? Right? So here it's in a positive form. That can I give you dash medicine? So can I give you some medicine? Okay. Now next. Man, not really. I just have a headache. Have you got dash aspirin? Now have you got, here it's a question. So what we will write? Write, have you got any aspirin? Now next. Can I buy dash? Now next is positive. Can I buy? So what we will use? Some. Normally with can we use some only, right? Now here are dash tablets for you. Now next question is positive, that here are dash tablets. So what we will write? Some tablets. Okay. Here are dash tablets. Now if you have dash problems, you can come back and meet the doctor. If you have any problems, you can come back and meet the doctor, right? As it's a confusion. So what we will use if you have any? So with that, what we will use? If you have any problems, you can come back and meet the doctor, right? So as it is a positive sentence, but if you have problems, right? So it's a kind of confusion, right? So we will use any. Now, thank you. I am hungry. Do you have dash snacks to eat? Now again, it's a question. So what we will use? Any. Now, next. I think we have dash sandwiches and dash oranges. Would you like to have dash? Now here full all three blanks have positive questions and positive sentence. So we will use some in all three blanks. Now next. Yes, thank you. I don't have dash change. Now it's a negative sentence. So what we will use? Any. Can I have dash changes to make a call? Again, with can, what we will use? Some. Okay, students, so in this way we have to use some and any. It's very simple. Now in next session we will start with much and many, little a little, few a few. Okay, students, so till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye, and take care of yourself. This work I am going to send you in your class, in your application, school application. So go through it and complete it. Okay, students, bye bye, take care.